Hi guys, how's it going? My name's Tomas.
I'm CJ.
And I'm Mika, and we're from Second Opinion.
Join us as we take the brand new Jeep Grand Cherokee L out for an adventure. So guys, what comes to mind when you think about the Jeep brand?
Of course, it's off-road and adventure.
For me, something tough, rugged, and robust.
Yeah, that's exactly right. As Jeep's modern take on the Grand Cherokee L marries two contradictory ideas in off-road ruggedness as well as luxury and comfort.
Wow, it's like you get the best of both worlds.
Exactly. That said, today in this video, we'll see if that pursuit makes the Jeep Grand Cherokee L worth your $5.49 million.
This modern SUV is clearly quite the head-turner. It all starts with the execution of the iconic 7-slot grille that perfectly evokes the traits of the Jeep when it comes to its off-roading capabilities. Moving on to its sides, you can see that it possesses an understated elegance. This is seen from its clean and sharp body lines.
The same subtle elegance continues all the way to the back. You'll instantly notice this from the slim LED tail lamps.
The power tailgate adds modern touch and convenience.
Adventure is part of Jeep's DNA, hence the presence of roof rails for your bikes or tents.
To top it all off, it's got impressive 20-inch 5-spoke aluminum wheels and big 265/50/20 tires.
What I like the most about the Grand Cherokee's aesthetics is the way it seamlessly blends looks of luxury and ruggedness. That's normally difficult to imagine, but one look at the exterior, you'll get the picture right away.
The interior design mirrors that of the exterior. It oozes luxury. From the cabin with premium finish, down to the rich tech features. I'm a huge fan of this minimalist all-black variant. I believe that true luxury has a sense of subtlety in its design. You get exactly this from the Grand Cherokee, since the cabin is covered with premium leather, complemented by wood trims that are the perfect accents.
As much as I love driving, being a passenger princess is a much better idea when you're driving in the metro, especially with the traffic. The experience even gets better when you're driving the Grand Cherokee.
It's very plush and roomy. It offers 3-row seating with multiple configurations. All in all, up to 7 passengers can fit comfortably in the Grand Cherokee L. I have the freedom to lie in the most comfortable position. There's so much legroom no matter which row you decide to stay in because of its long wheelbase of 3,091 millimeters. I also appreciate the numerous compartments and cup holders where I can store my things. This works for me because you'll never see me without a cup of coffee. Meanwhile, the piano gloss trim adds the elegant touch. Although notably, this finish can attract a lot of fingerprint marks. I've always been fond of large panoramic sunroofs, since I love road trips. Then insert immersive sound from the vehicle's impressive 9-speaker premium audio system, you're set for a memorable adventure. Thankfully, this is exactly what you can get from the Grand Cherokee L.
If you do end up driving, you'll find that you'll enjoy every touch point as it feels very soft and luxurious. This starts with a dashboard, followed by the leather steering wheel with buttons and the armrests. Comfort and convenience are very much felt when you have to make seat and steering wheel adjustments. Everything's power adjustable.
You tech-savvy folks will also be enjoying yourselves, as this vehicle is packed with a ton of sophisticated features. And boy, does the Grand Cherokee shine when it comes to infotainment. It features a 10.1-inch touchscreen, which can be used for navigation. It allows for up to 5 user profiles, so each member of the family can add his or her own touch to the customizable home screen. Multiple smartphones can also be connected to the screen. It also comes with a sleek and modern 10-inch head-up display, which projects your speed. The driver also has his own driver information digital cluster display on the instrument panel. The Grand Cherokee is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This works to my advantage because the first order of business is to connect my phone and play my current fave Spotify playlist. I can't count how many times I run low on bat because I'm stuck in heavy traffic, so the wireless charging pad is a lifesaver. If several persons have to charge, there's a surplus of Type A and C ports, so no worries. It has the modern rotary gear shift that's very easy to control. All the buttons and knobs are laid out on the dashboard, making everything just so accessible. Overall, the technology that accompanies the Grand Cherokee is packed full of innovations and features that add convenience to both the drivers and the passengers. Road trips have never been this easy.
Under its prominent hood, you'll find that the Grand Cherokee L boasts a powerful 3.6-liter V6 engine with exciting outputs of 282 horsepower as well as 344 Newton-meters of torque. This provides driving performance that will surely satisfy any enthusiast. Additionally, its 4x4 off-roading capabilities allow it to be driven anywhere and everywhere in any type of road condition, whether for wholesome family outings or even overland recreational trips in rougher terrain. Despite being on the heavier end of the spectrum, this Grand Cherokee L is still able to provide more than enough power when necessary. Even when cruising at high speeds, the vehicle is still able to maintain a relatively smooth ride without experiencing much jerkiness or kickbacks. The Jeep Grand Cherokee L has all the tools necessary to give you the power to explore new horizons and bolder terrain, as its engine is able to display a combination of performance, efficiency, and power. Especially with a maximum towing capacity of an astonishing 6,200 pounds, the Grand Cherokee L definitely does not lack in power and might. Adding to its versatility, there are a variety of drive modes at your disposal: Auto, Sport, as well as 3 4x4 systems in rock, snow, as well as sand or mud modes that give you the power to handle the unexpected. The V6 engine also features an engine stop-start technology for fuel saving and maximum efficiency. What I enjoyed most when driving the Grand Cherokee L was that it was able to perfectly combine power with grace. Whether letting your speed demon out for some fun with sport mode on an out-of-town trip, exploring the rugged and hilly trails in Antipolo, or simply going on a Sunday coffee run in BGC, the Grand Cherokee L's engine is capable of providing more than what you need for a wide variety of scenarios. Given the car's size, bulkiness, and length, I had to get used to the car's large turn radius. Thankfully, many safety features serve as another set of eyes and help with overall maneuverability. Speaking of safety features, here's CJ who will further break it down for us.
For any vehicle to be worth upwards of 5 million pesos, its safety features need to be of the highest standard. The Grand Cherokee L does not fall short of these standards whatsoever. It is equipped with various modern safety features, the first of which is the adaptive cruise control with stop and go. This would really come in handy, especially on days wherein SLEX or NLEX is slightly packed, yet at cruising speeds. It also comes with active lane management that alerts you should you ever stray into another lane unintentionally, while also providing steering correction to avoid collisions with vehicles in your blind spots. The full-speed forward collision warning with active braking and pedestrian cyclist detection is especially helpful in our congested streets of Metro Manila. Parking is also made easier with a Park View backup camera with a ParkSense front and rear park assist. Your blind spots are also secure due to the blind spot monitoring and rear crosspath detection, which will detect vehicles in such areas. Some of the more advanced features are the surround view camera, which gives you a 360-degree view of the vehicle's surroundings. Overall, the Grand Cherokee L's safety features allow for peace of mind and convenience for the driver.
So, going back to the question, guys, is this car worth your 5.49 million?
The answer is,
A resounding yes.
you get the capabilities of 3 vehicles in one,
An elegant daily driver,
An extremely capable off-roader,
as well as a luxurious family car.
the Jeep Grand Cherokee L continues its legacy of toughness with an added touch of luxury. It remains as ambitious and versatile as the people who drive them.
It's actually been 5 years since the last Grand Cherokee made an appearance in the Philippines, and now the Grand Cherokee L is once again back in Philippine shores, filling the gap between a timeless yet modern SUV which integrates individuality and family characteristics. So once again, we are Second Opinion. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
We'll see you again in our next adventure. Bye!